Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2022 Ford Transit. Now this is the long wheelbase high roof model, meaning you get that little bit of extra storage room above the cab, and also it is obviously it gives a lot of space. Now this does come with 10,000 miles upon the clock. It has an automatic transmission, as well as heating, Bluetooth radio, 3 cloth-lined seats upon the interior. Pop this just down just here. We do have cup holders and a tray table there for any paperwork you may need as well. And in the load area, it is, like I said, very generous. It is interior lit and also ply lined upon the sides, and also cargo rings to tie down any load you may want to do so as well. And now, if you would like to find out more about this Ford Transit, then please do feel free to head over to our website. It is in the description, or simply type in anchorvans.co.uk, where you can check out this vehicle, many other ones. And if you don't live too far away, you can come visit our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to discover more about this vehicle.